Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 35 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the back button. Once the menu opens, use the down button to scroll through it, select the Do Not Disturb mode option, and once you select it, press the activity button to enter. As you can see, we have the option turned on. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled, and if you want to enable it, press the activity button and the mode will be enabled. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, basically open the menu again, select the Do Not Disturb, press activity. It will say turn off this time because the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled, and press the activity button to turn it off, and then press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.